Hey Beardos, my name is DanCBearded. My subscribers say I'm the trusted teacher for all things beard related. And on this video, I'm going to give you guys the number one tip for growing a thick and dense beard. Now on this channel, one video you're never going to see, even though it's been highly requested, is how to deal with a patchy beard. How to make your patchy beard fill in or style your patchy beard. And I'm just not going to do a video on that, quite frankly, because I don't have a patchy beard. I don't feel like that information would come off the right way coming from me when I do have a decently thick and a decently dense beard. Now, I can tell you the number one tip for getting that dense beard in a minute. But when you look at my beard, when you see a lot of beards front on, they look pretty good. They look pretty thick and dense. But the real test is when you see underneath and to the sides. So when you see on my beard, when I turn to the side here, my beard is just as thick on the sides and especially underneath. I mean, I have a lot of density to my beard, and there is one really important step that is on you to be able to make sure you have the full potential for your density. So if you guys want to find out that number one tip, just hold on for about 20 seconds. Beard density. First part, again, you're going to hear this a lot on this channel, DNA. You're not going to be able to help it if you just do not have the hair that is growing in the areas you need to have a thick and dense beard, but we'll get past that because you're not able to control it. The number one tip to growing a thick and dense beard, if you are capable of growing that thick and dense beard, is letting your neckline go as low as possible and letting those supporting hairs underneath grow out. A lot of guys have the ability to have a thick and dense beard, but they stop that neckline up too high. Or they start chopping underneath their beard and those supporting actors down below are not getting any of the love because they're getting their roll cut short. So, when do you start growing out your neckline? When do you let it go? At my length, I have a completely natural neckline. There is no trimming or touching of my neckline here. The only time I do that is if I'm going underneath and I'm trying to keep my chest hairs from connecting to my beard. But that is not a part of the beard. As you have a shorter beard, you can go one finger above the Adam's apple. You can start to let it creep down below. But I truly believe the time to let it go natural and let it go is once your beard is covering that spot on your neck. So I'm going to show you guys my neckline, and you will see that it is higher up than where my beard is now. But what happens is those hairs grow out and they grow down. And that will get layers on layers on layers to your beard. So this is what my neckline looks like right now. That is below my Adam's apple, completely covered by Adam's apple with my beard. And again, part of that is DNA, but a lot of guys like to cut that beard up shorter. They like to shave their neckline, trim their neckline, and it is stopping them from getting that full, dense beard. Also, we'll have guys that will grow the neckline down. They'll get that coverage they need down there, but then when they're trimming or their barber's trimming, they're going at the wrong angle underneath their beard. They're taking away those supporting actors that are going to give you that density, give you that cushion and that pillow. So, pretty simple actually. If you want the thickest, fullest beard possible, let your neckline grow down, and once those hairs are growing out, do not trim them. Do not cut them short. Let them do their thing. Let them be the supporting actors for the front of your beard, the part that gets all the beauty, all the looks, all the accolades and the pictures. They need to be those supporting role players to keep your beard looking thick and looking dense. Whew. Question to leave you guys with. Where would you rank your density of beards? Do you have a thick and dense beard? Is yours light and patchy? Are you somewhere in between? And are you cool with that? I know a lot of guys wish they had a thicker beard, but I think we're starting to see on this community, embrace what you have and go with it. If you do not have the ability, you've tried to grow your neckline down, you've left those supporting hairs alone, and it's just not in the cards for you, embrace what you got and be happy with it, because remember, there is someone out there that would kill to have what you have. And that is true. There is someone out there that would kill for your beard coverage, your thickness, your style. Think about that when you're trying to think about your beard. Everybody wants to look for the next one, but there is someone that would love to have yours. So leave me some comments down below, guys, about thick, dense beards, about growing out your neckline, about those supporting actors, anything at all. Let's get those comment sections engaging and going. I appreciate you guys, especially if you liked the video. Thank you. And as always, gentlemen and any ladies out there, DanCBearded, please stay bearded and always stay positive.